Hello, welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, Director of Relationship Management for WCE. Today we're going to continue part 2 of our conversation about strengths in the workplace and how you leverage them. First, you want to define your strengths. You must understand what strengths that are unique to you. Some ways that you could possibly do that. Take an assessment. Find out. Do what you think your strongest skill sets are match up with what it says when you take an assessment? Find out. Maybe you have a skill that you're really strong in that you're not even really aware of or thinking about. So take that assessment and see what it says. Does it say what you think? Odds are it probably will, but that's good. That means you're figuring it out. You know what your strongest skill sets are, so you can work towards getting more projects, getting more opportunities using those skill sets you know. Ask people that you know, that you trust, coworker, friend, boss, family member, whoever that is, who will shoot it to you straight and tell you, this is what you're really good at. Here's what you're not so good at. And here's why. You need to hear both sides. You need to hear what you're doing well and what some of your skill sets are that you're very good at. And you also need to know what you're not good at. Maybe you don't recognize it, but other people do. Go to someone you trust and ask them the question and hear and then react on it and figure it out. How do I get better? Your passion. What do you love to do? Does it come naturally? I was a facility guy for 3.5 decades. Sick. Loved it. Absolutely loved it. Because my mindset and my confidence was going to be, I'm the only guy who can do this. I'm the only person who's going to get all this done. That's my mindset. I go into it every day. I'm going to deliver. I'm going to help people today. I'm going to help somebody today. That was mine. Whatever that is, something that comes naturally and something that you love. Use your resume. What's your resume say about you that you probably put together? What does it say? Are there skill sets in there that you're not thinking about? Look at your resume. That's what you're communicating to other people. See what's in there and decide. There's a skill set even mentioned here that I'm not taking advantage of like I should. Or maybe I need to work on it because I've said it's a strength. I want to take the time to work on it to make it better. You want to set goals. How do you increase productivity and growth? Set up a schedule. Review the goals. Am I making progress on them? Am I moving the needle? Am I stepping forward, as I've said before? Keep moving forward. Constantly work on your strengths. That sounds weird, but you want your strengths to be even better. Whatever your skill sets are that are strengths, work on them. Continuously work on them. Get better at them. Master them. Talk with the people that you work for on the progress you've made. See what they think. Are they in agreement? If they're not, maybe you need to go back and look at what you've been doing. If they are in agreement, that means I'm moving in the right direction. They have noticed a difference. It is getting better. It's, whatever may be happening. And then then keep working at it. But it's a check mark for you. Choose strength building behaviors. Read books, things you don't know. Look at a lot of quotes. Quotes are really good to help kind of provide something maybe you're not thinking about. Or read a book. Read what someone else is doing. How did someone else become successful? And see if you can take a little bit from every one of those that you read. Always focus on your constant improvement. How do you leverage your skills and your strengths? You focus on you. You focus on you. How do I get better? Don't compare yourself to others. Doesn't matter. You control what you can control, and that's you. Use hard and soft skills. Both are important. Bring them into your skill sets, which will only help make you better. And it'll challenge you because some of those you won't be good at. You can challenge yourself. How do I become better at this? And third, fill in strength gaps. Spend time with others that have a skill set or a strength that is not one of your strongest. Learn from them. Ask a lot of questions. How did they get there? How did they become that such a strength for them? How did it work? How did they get there? That's what you need to be asking. Ask those questions and fill in those gaps by speaking with others. It's a good trait for leadership. Leverage your strengths in the workplace will help you gain new opportunities, new chances, things that you can learn that are new. You'll become better at things that you're already good at. Like I said, you can master something. You always keep working at what you're good at while you're learning new stuff at the same time. If I'm good at it, I want to be better. If I'm better, I want to keep going every day. You'll become more valuable to your company, and they will recognize that, and your opportunities will open up. You drive the growth of you in leadership. That's our episode for today. Thank you very much for listening. Look forward to seeing you next week on FM Corner.